Assalamu alaikum, dear student of class 6. I hope that you are all very well. And today our topics is revision. Lesson second to, four. Okay. Now solve the exercises. I think everybody is ready to start. So let's begin our work. Yes, okay. First, lesson 2, exercise, page number 9 to 10. Write in the missing words. They can be found in passage. You will find yourself, but I will tell you orally. Now first exercise A. Exercise A. Exercise A. Exercise A and page 9 to 10. Now write in the missing words and blank spaces I will write on the board. First, the farmer dash the donkey and his son dash beside him. Dash beside him as they walked along. Okay. They dash a song. Now beta, the farmer dashed the donkey and his son dashed beside him. As they walked along, they dashed a song. Now the farmer led and his son walked beside him. As they walked along, they sang a song. Now, number second, the girls begin to laugh. The girls begin to laugh. The girls begin to laugh. Dash the farmer and asked what was wrong. Dash the donkey. Dash. Okay. Dash the donkey. Okay. The girls began to laugh at the farmer and asked what was wrong with the donkey. Now number 3rd. The farmer said that the farmer said that he was going to sell him dash town dash a lot dash money. Okay. Now the farmer said that he was going to sell him in town dash a him town for a lot of money. Okay. Now number 4. The farmer lifted his son. The farmer lifted his son dash to the donkey and walked on dash him. The farmer lifted his son on to the donkey and walked beside him. Okay. Now number 5. The old man shook his stick dash the boy and said that he was a dash boy. The old man shook his stick at the boy and said that he was a selfish boy. Okay. Now number 6. The farmer lifted dash his son and got the donkey himself. The farmer lifted down his son and got on the donkey himself. Okay. Now number 7. The woman said that the woman said that the farmer was a dash man. What beta? Lazy man. Okay. Now number 8. The farmer helped his son. The farmer helped his son. The farmer helped his son to get up. Dash him to dash woman. Okay. Now the farmer helped his son to get up and him to please the woman. Now number 9. The man said that the farmer would kill dash donkey if he made him carry a dash man and dash boy. Now you will read on lesson 2nd and remaining dashes you will fill yourself. Now number 9. The man said that the farmer would kill dash donkey if he made him carry a dash man and dash boy. Now the man said that the farmer would kill poor donkey. What beta? Poor donkey if he made him carry a heavy man and a boy. Now number 10. They got dash the donkey, tied his legs and dash him on dash pole. They got off the donkey, tied his legs together and slung him on a pole. Now number 11. The people dash when they saw a man and a boy carrying a dash donkey. The people laughed when they saw a man and a boy carrying a struggle donkey. Number 12. The farmer and his son put the donkey dash down beta because they were tired and hot. Now number 13. The donkey was dash in the dash, fell in the river. Okay. Now number last 14. The farmer pleased dash because he tried to please dash. The farmer pleased nobody because he tried to please everybody. बेटा the farmer pleased nobody. हारिए कंहिंखे बि ख़ुशि न कयो. छाजे करे? छाकाणि त हू हर हिक खे ख़ुशि करण जी कोशिश करे रहियो हो. Now exercise number B. Write the answers to these questions in lesson 2nd. First, what did the farmer do to please the girls? Now answer to these questions. Exercise number B. Exercise number B. What did the farmer do to please the girls? What did the farmer do? Exercise number B. Answers. Question number 1. What did the farmer do What did the farmer do to please the girls? I am sure that do you know under this question answer? No, it's okay. He lifted his son on the donkey. He lifted his son on the donkey. He lifted his son on the donkey and walked beside on beside them. And walked beside them. Okay. Question number 2. What did the farmer do to please the old man? What did the farmer do to please the old man? Answer. The farmer lifted down his son. Now beta, the farmer lifted down his son The farmer lifted down his son. The farmer lifted down his son and got on the donkey himself. And got on the donkey himself. Now number third. What did the farmer do to please the woman? What did the farmer do to please the woman? Do you know the answer this question? No. The farmer helped his son The farmer helped his son The farmer helped his son to get up behind him. To get up behind him. Now, question number 4. Why did the farmer Why did the farmer and his son get off the donkey? Get off the donkey because they wanted to please the man. Because they wanted to please the man. Okay, now question number 5. What did the donkey do? What did the donkey do when they slung him on a pole? When they slung him on a pole. Do you know answer to this question? No? Okay, no problem. The poor donkey struggled and kicked. The poor donkey struggled and kicked. Now question number 6. What did the donkey do? What did the donkey do after he galloped away? After he galloped away. The donkey fell into the river. The donkey fell into the river and drowned. Okay. Now lesson second exercise are finished. Have finished. Now lesson 3 page number 15. Okay. Now we are going to solve the exercise lesson number 3. Lesson number 3, page 15. Lesson number 3, page 15. Lesson 3. Okay. And exercise A. And exercise A. So fill in the blank spaces. First, I will tell you orally. In these sentences, page number 15 beta, in these sentences some words have been left out. They are all words found in the passage. Write them in. Now number first, a diagram of the area of a country or countries is called a map. First dash में बेटा exercise number A, map. Okay. Now number second, the word may be divided into 7 dash continents beta. 7 continents. The word may be divided into 7 continents. Asia is the dash continent. Asia is the dash continent. Biggest. Asia is the biggest. Asia is the biggest. Biggest continent. Asia is the biggest continent. Now number fourth, to the west of Asia is Europe. Now number 5, Asia is also joined to Africa. Now number 6, Mount Everest is the dash mountain in the world, highest. Now number 7, there are dash people in Asia than other 3.3 billion. Now number 8, each year there is a big increase in the number of dash, second dash, people. Okay. Now number 9, in many families, everyone has less to eat when a new baby is born. Now number 10, coal, iron, tin and oil are found the ground beneath beneath the ground. Okay. Now number 11. The people of Asia speak many languages. Many languages. Now number 12. One important language is English. Okay. Now number 13. English is spoken dash the word all over the world. Now number 14. Many children speak it at their homes, and many learn it at school. And last 15. Important news is printed in English are spoken over. Second is over. Now exercise lesson 4, exercise page number 21. Now, lesson 4, page 21. Exercise A. Exercise A. Fill in the space. Okay. Now beta, exercise number A, page number 21 and lesson 4. Complete these sentences or fill in the blank spaces. I will tell you orally. Dash means very well known. I will orally tell. No. Okay. I will write on the board. Now, dash number first. Dash means very well known. Famous. Now number second, a sea robber is called a pirate. Now number third, a sailor keeps his belongings in a sea chest. Okay, now number 4, Bill Bonds. We take good care of something if it is valuable. Number 5, Bill Bonds died because his heart failure. Now number 6, he died, he did not pay his bill. 7, the pirates attacked the inn. Police drove them away. Okay. Number 8. Jim thought that there was something and furniture had been smashed. Okay. Now number 9. Jim thought that there was something valuable inside the package. Number 10. Dr. Lewis and Scott Tremblay were having dinner having dinner. Now number 11. They were surprised to see Jim surprised. Number 12. The policeman went away. Number 13. Dr. Lucy thought that the seamen were old pirates and that the packet contained a map. 14. The squire was so excited and jumped up. 15. Pair means. 16. Near. 17. Flight. 18. Hurrah. 19. Gold या pounds. Rich men. 20 बेटा dangerous. Okay, now other dashes you will fill. You will find yourself. And page number 23 beta exercise punctuation practice. An apostrophe is added before apostrophe means this symbol. Apostrophe. This symbol. The face of my brother. The face of my brother. The face of my brother. Okay. Now use in this sentence apostrophe. My brother's face. Meaning same. First sentence and second. Meaning also same. The face of my brother मुझे भाजो मुँह. My brother's face मुझे भाजो मुँह. This symbol is apostrophe. This symbol is a apostrophe. Apostrophe. This symbol is a apostrophe. The dress of my sister's dress. The house of my brother, the house of my mother's house. The head of the old man's head. The mouth of the dog's mouth. The backs of the horse's back. Apostrophe use plural. The faces of the boys' faces. So now today's our work have finished. Tomorrow I will see you again. New lesson. So thank you so much and God bless you.